teacher.
Good morning, sir.
I wonder what could be so good about the man when they first thing me a face out, no? And you think how much time at school me turn out just to come teach down here, sir? With me Michael Thursday ticket.
Sir, me is the head boy, sir. Me already marked the register. Everybody are present.
What a pity.
Sir,